Hello students, I am welcoming you all to Standard 5 Social Studies class. Take out the Social Studies book, page number 7. In my previous class, students, I given you homework. I hope that you all completed this homework. Now let's continue our lesson. Longitudes. The lines that run vertically through poles are called longitudes or meridians. These lines run from the North Pole to the South Pole. They are also called verticals. Turn over the page, students. The longitude passing through the Royal Observatory in Greenwich near London is the starting line. It has been marked. It is called prime meridian. There are 360 degrees of longitude. They have been divided into two hemispheres. The zone from 0 degree to 180 degree west is called west prime meridian. The zone from 0 degree to 180 east is called east prime meridian. The 180 degree east and 180 degree west longitudes meet and form a single line on the opposite side of the world. This line is called international date line. Next is grade. What is grade? The lines of latitude parallel and the lines of longitude or verticals make a network of lines when they all are put on the globe. This is called grid. With the help of this grid, we can find out any place by marking the longitude and latitude. See, this is grid of latitudes and longitudes. Students, here is some keywords is given. Axis. What is axis? An imaginary line that passes through two extreme points on a sphere. Pole. An end point of a spherical object. In the case of the Earth, only two poles have been defined, north and south. Continent. A vast landmass on the earth. There are 7 continents in all. Students, next come to the exercise part. A number. Tick the correct answer. Imaginary lines pass from the north to south. They are called vertical. Number 2. Who proved that the earth is round like a sphere? Magellan. Number 3. 2 points on the axis of the earth are called poles. Meanders and parallels together form a network called grid. Number 5. The prime meridian passes through Greenwich. B number. Fill in the blanks. Roman geographer Ptolemy invented latitudes and longitudes. Number 2. The meridian marked 0 degree is called prime meridian. Number 3. The Tropic of Cancer is located at a distance of 23 half degree north from the equator. Number 4. When latitudes and longitudes are shown at one point of time on the globe, a grid is created. Number 5. The equator divides the earth in two equal hemispheres. Number C. Match the following. Column A and column B is given. You have to match the numbers. Antarctic Circle 66 half degrees south. Arctic Circle 66 half degree north. Tropic of Capricorn 23 half degrees south. Tropic of Cancer 23 half degree north. Network of lines grid. Write true or false. 1 number. The grid helps us to locate place on the globe. True. Number 2. Large masses of land on the earth are called continents. True. Number 3. The earth's 71% surface is land. False. Number 4. The earth is like a sphere. True. 5 number. Longitudes are not parallel lines. False. Number E. Give one word answer. 1 number. The line which is taken as the starting line, prime meridian. Horizontal lines drawn parallel to the equator, latitude. The largest ocean, Pacific Ocean. 4 number. The smallest continent, Australia. Number 5. Another term for parallels, side by side. Okay students, you do one thing, you write down these short question answers in the social studies copy and learn it. Till then, bye bye.